Hi everyone. Winning a pageant is hard work. They say that all you have to do to win is to have a beautiful face and body. However, in today's pageants, there are higher standards. You need to be an entire package to be crowned. A pageant is not about gown, heels, makeup, hair. It's about your personality. Yes, these things are a part of pageant, but in the end, it all comes down to you. So you have the way you carry yourself. The pageant winner has to be well prepared with a mind, body, and soul before competing. So here are a few tips. First, work hard. The more effort you put in, the better the results. So if you increase your effort, you will greatly increase your chances of winning. So strengthen your willpower, work on your body, diet, on your stress, on your walk, and if possible, get yourself a pageant coach who will push you to your limits. My next tip is that if you just keep focusing on winning, you will not win. If you focus on working on your skills and having fun in the process, you dramatically increase your chances of winning. Why? It's because when you focus on winning, you unconsciously tense up, and the judges notice that. They can see that you are a great contestant, but they can also make out that you are very nervous as you look very, very miserable. But if you look enthusiastic and live in the moment, you get that sparkle in your eyes, which is easily noticeable. So, focusing on bettering your skills is vital for attaining victory, as it provides you with a backbone or foundation to build upon. My next tip: do not compare yourself. There may be many title holders, pageant holders, runners up, and you may get intimidated. No, never do that. Everyone is unique, everyone has their strengths and weaknesses. The key is to observe the weakness of your competitor and be aware of that, and on the other hand, focus on your strengths. Remember, we all are unique and perfect in our own imperfections. Don't be, next point is that don't be Miss or Mr. Know It All. There is always something new to learn. Everyone can teach you a trick here and there. When it comes to winning, knowledge is literally power, and the more you know, the better. So do not show off or put others down, even if you know something better than others. Always be humble. My next tip is that match your strength to the scoreboard. Pick the right platform, because some pageants give high score for body, some for talent, some for walk, some for pageant interview, while others may focus more on question and answers. So pick up the right platform which matches your strengths. Next is that pageant is a great platform to make lifelong friends. Contestants are typically in it to win it, but that doesn't mean that they don't make friends along the way. So always be helpful, participative, and as congenial as you can. My next tip is don't be afraid of failure. You can't expect to win without ever facing failure. Failure is a regular part of life, and you have to learn to embrace it. So rather than fearing failure, learn how to use it to your advantage. Take feedback and learn from your mistakes. My next tip is mind your tongue. You can never be too sure if what you are saying will reach the judges. It is important to be genuinely nice to everyone you meet before, during, and after your pageant. Be mindful of your words and actions. People can sense it if you are being fake. So if you have nothing good to say, do not say anything and just smile. My next tip is be confident. I know you will hate me telling you this. Everyone has been telling you this. But confidence comes from knowing that you have developed the skills necessary to compete and win. You can't just think it out of thin air. It's perfectly normal to feel a little nervous during the pageant, but that's not a confidence issue. So confidence comes from practicing your competition skills over and over until you can work those skills even when you are nervous. You feel confident when you know you can do it because you have done it in practice. So ultimately it boils down to is that the only way to win under pressure during your competition is to train and practice your skills. Sayonara.